In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Twilio number. Whether you're wrapping up a project or simply want to streamline your account, releasing an inactive or unused number can be a straightforward process. I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's as easy as possible. First, you'll need to log into your Twilio console. Access the platform by heading to https://console.twilio.com. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of the Twilio console. This is your control center, where you can manage all of your Twilio resources, including phone numbers, applications, and settings. Next, navigate to your phone numbers section. This is where we can dig into managing the specifics of each number linked to your account. You'll want to locate phone numbers in the main menu, hover over it, and select Manage from the drop-down list. From there, click on Active Numbers. If you prefer, you can also head directly to this section using the URL https://console.twilio.com/us1 develop phone numbers/manage active numbers. Here, you'll see a list of all your active Twilio numbers. Now, it's time to find the specific number that you want to delete. Browse through your list until you've located the number you wish to manage. Once you've found it, click directly on the phone number itself. This action will take you to a detailed view, displaying all relevant information and settings linked to that number. As you examine the number's details, you'll need to scroll down to locate a red button labeled Release this number. Important note, releasing a number is a permanent action, which means the number will be removed from your account and may become available to other Twilio users. So, before you proceed, double-check that you're releasing the correct number and that you're ready to let it go. Once you're ready, click the red Release this number button. A confirmation message will pop up, asking for your final confirmation before proceeding. It's Twilio's way of ensuring that this action is deliberate and considered. Confirm that you want to release the number by following the prompts, and you're finished. And there you have it. Your number has been successfully deleted from your Twilio account. Remember, once a number is released, you can't get it back, so make sure this is what you want to do before confirming. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your Twilio numbers and keep your account tidy. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or if there are more Twilio topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below.